Gosh, lami. Oh my goodness. Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Home Cooked Meal. For today's meal, we have chipotle. Actually, homemade chipotle. Let's eat! The moment of truth. Taste test. Wow, grabe ka pretty kita naawon guys. We have here brown rice, pico de gallo, steak, lettuce, cheese, queso. We also have guacamole and corn. And by the way, for our white sauce, we have yogurt mayo sauce. Let's eat! Sige, ginigawa sa kong FYP guys ang chipotle. So we can now finally try it. Char, pero homemade. Look at that! Taste test! Mmm! Mmm! Legit, dami. And also, dili daw complete atong chipotle experience kung wala ning black fork. So, it's a must gid daw kuno ni siya. Gosh, lami. Oh my goodness. Awa oh, maning sulod. Amazing. You have to try this one. Lami kayo siya. Steak. Awa, closer look guys. Oh, pag i-mix na nimo tanan, grabe lami kay siya jud. Legit. Grabe sa mo ta siguro ang chipotle sa gawas. Oh, look at that. I'm not exaggerating. Char. We can make our own kuan na chipotle. Awa tong guac, oh. Sabi. Mura na siya gamay tan-awon guys, pero dughan kaayo siya. Grabe ka fulfilling. Namay ko yun. We also have our lychee juice. Amazing. Lami ang sauce. Grabe, busog na gid kayo mo na lang ni ang nabilin. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time. Bye!